all present here. Today we are observing the National Unity Day, 31st October, on view of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel 150th year birth anniversary. On this day, nationwide we are observing the Unity Day, National Unity Day, for which we are gathered here for Unity Walk. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, kind enough, accepted, and today, now we are going to have this Unity Walk right now. The program goes like this. Now, our Honorable Vice Chancellor will have the pledge of the National Unity Day. After this, you all NSS volunteers, Vice Chancellor sir, Director sir, and other officers will have a walk till library. So I request each and every one of you please join us. Now I humbly request our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir to have the pledge on National Unity Day.
Let us have the pledge on this National Unity Day, 31st October. Please repeat after I say. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country.
Thank you, sir.